ayun guys, nagpe-prepare na kami ngayon. Si Kevin nagluluto pa. Ako tapos na akong maligo. Magbibis na lang ako. Kasi by 12, kailangan naming umalis. Ang time na ngayon ay 11. So, kakain pa kami. May cruise kaming pupuntahan. Kaya, kailangan makaalis kami on time. Dahil may schedule yung cruise. So, ayun din yung si Tata. Tulog na tulog. Look who's cooking! Nice! Wow! Looks so yummy! Yummy, yummy, yummy! Woohoo! Sabi naman yung chef ko. Chef boy. Log. With that view. Fuck.
Catch a glimpse as we are leaving later today. And on our sail, we will be traveling at approximately 5 knots per hour as well. And it was renamed Rogers Center from Skydome in 2005 after it was bought by Rogers Communications.
So start na kami mag-sail guys. Isa sa mga views yan towers sa Rogers Center.
And now coming into view on the right side is that same waterfall building I was speaking of earlier, King's Landing.
So ayun guys, tapos na yung cruise namin. Ang lamig. Kaya hindi ako masyadong nakapag-video. Saka medyo baka mahilo tayo. So, ayun, bye cruise. Geneva, Sunshine, Raver. So, after nung turn namin, pupunta kami ngayon sa aquarium. So, dito siya malapit sa Rogers Center. Aquarium Canada. Ripley's Aquarium Canada. Let's go. Let's go sa go. So, dito na kami guys. Katabi lang pala siya ng CN Tower. So, ito yung CN Tower. Ayun, ang taas! Yan, yan siya. So, ito yung sa loob. Nasa loob na kami. So, dito tayo sa loob. Grabe, ang daming fish. Iba't ibang klase ng fish yung makikita dito. Nakakatuwa. So, bagay na bagay siya sa mga bata. Mag-e-enjoy sila dito. Ito, ang laki. Ito. Laki, guys. Ang laki. Ito, kakaiba.
See that, son? Oh my God. There we go. Yeah. Nom, 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 nom. Come on out, bud. So you can see those defined scales on the back of her neck. That's why they're known as